This is the dinosaur that dominated Jurassic Europe for millions of years. Meet Torvosaurus, Europe's apex carnivore. These terrifying dinosaurs weighed 4 tons, were up to 10 meters long, and boasted claws that could rip their prey to shreds. But there was one thing definitely off the menu. One of the biggest dinosaurs ever found in Europe. Lusotitan. 25 meters long and weighing up to 40 tons. This giant may have been a herbivore, but it could still deliver a powerful blow to any potential attacker. Too big a risk for even the hungriest Torvosaurus. Or so it was thought, until a particularly beady-eyed expert joined paleontologist Carla Tomas and her team at the Museum of Lourinhã and noticed something peculiar amongst the Torvosaurus bones.
It was already in display when a specialist joined our team, and analyzing the fossil, he said, wait a minute, this is a new dinosaur, a new Torvosaurus.
It had gone unnoticed for a decade, but skull fragments revealed this was a brand new species of Torvosaurus dinosaur.
It's a lot bigger than anything else in the late Jurassic of Europe.
It looked as though this European Torvosaurus was bigger than any ever seen in the Jurassic, and by far the largest predator on the continent.
This is the top predator, almost as big as the top predators of the Cretaceous, like T-Rex, but 90 million years old.
The question was, could this new, bigger species be capable of taking on the legendary Lusotitan? To find out, Carla joined forces with lead Dino Parque de Lourinhã paleontologist Simão Matias. Together, they painstakingly reconstructed the animal's skull from fragments in the museum.
If you want to find something from an animal, it's exactly the skull, because the skull is more informative. It's where you can get more information about the species.
The Torvosaurus skull was huge, 75% as big as that of a T-Rex, but it was different in many ways.
The major difference between this skull of a Torvosaurus and the T-Rex, this will be much more slender. The tooth will be much more like a blade.
Long, narrow and bird-like in structure. This looked like the skull of a highly specialized hunter. Like the bone-crunching T-Rex, Torvosaurus could challenge prey larger than itself.
Being as big as Torvosaurus allows them to attack bigger animals like Lusotitan.
A straight-up battle to the death would still have been a huge mismatch. But this new analysis of Torvosaurus's skull suggests that it could have made use of a different predatory tactic instead. Using its razor-sharp teeth, it could slice chunks of flesh with surgical precision, and then let its prey bleed to death.
So he can get a bite, that animal will lose lots of blood and will be very weak. And after, these Torvosaurus will have the final deadly attack.
You can see similar tactics in the animal kingdom today. Komodo dragons are famous for their epic fights with other dragons, but those are for dominance. Their killer tactics are far more subtle. Often, they'll bite their target just once, before patiently stalking their dying prey for up to a week, and then feasting on its carcass. Could this be how the most daring Torvosaurus attempted to take on Lusotitan? Until this remarkable discovery, Lusotitan was thought to be untouchable. But this formidable new species of predator may well have turned the tables on the Jurassic status quo.